So you are looking at another almost done piece, and I gotta tell you something, this is quickly becoming my favorite. You know, I'm more of a performance, race car kind of sports car guy, but when I start seeing all of this put together, I'm loving where this is going. We again use the stealth. You're gonna notice in a lot of our videos, what we do is we take the utilitarian point, the ability for paint protection film to protect your vehicle, but we use it to customize your vehicle, and that's what this is. This whole truck is covered in paint protection film that actually changes the color of it and makes it even cooler. Now what we did is we stuck with the factory size. This is an 18-inch wheel, but we stuck 37 by 12.5 wides on it, and it just filled the whole thing out really nicely. Now, in addition, as we walk around the truck and you see the finished product, notice the powder-coated front and rear bumper. Made a huge difference, by far the best way to protect it and to change the look. All of that we can help you do. Combine that with the fact that we went through and custom painted, everything. The tailgate is unbelievable. The grille, amazing. When you take a look at everything as it's been put together, I really think this is one of the favorites. I really enjoyed. We did a Dino Gray Corvette, beautiful car. But man, this is growing on me. Enjoy the finished product, and if you have any questions about what we do, or better yet, what we could do for you, now is the time. Comment, call us, come in, check it out, and find out what Empire Auto Spa is all about. Enjoy the finished product.